Marty here. Today we're going to talk about 5 hot products from Cicada Audio. Number 1, FLX PRO Amplifiers. Available in 2 sizes, 700 watt, 1400 watts. These amplifiers are great and have enough power to drive many Cicada Audio speakers and are available with the all-new dialed software. Number 2, CXXM Midrange Driver. This series of speaker is all new. It's a great companion to our CXX series of coax. It's available in a 6.5 and an 8-inch. They also include direct fit grills. Number 3, CMB69 Midbass Driver. This Midbass Driver was purposely designed to give you added punch to that system without giving up all of your storage space in your saddlebags. Weatherproof, water resistant, compact, direct fit. Number 4, CMW Midwoofer. You guys have asked for it. Here it is. 10-inch and 8-inch midwoofers. High efficiency bass output, fits in your saddlebag, maximize your bass. And number 5, CHXPRO Series Speakers. CHXPRO, the best there is. This is an all-new improved design, new cosmetics. We've changed a few features. We've improved the grill design, cosmetic basket color change, and this is the latest and best Cicada Audio has to offer. And there you have it, the top 5 Cicada Audio products available today. For more information, come visit us at cicadaaudio.com.